Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility, channel in good standing, age requirement met, and supported country status. Next, open YouTube Studio and go straight to monetization. You don't need to set up everything, just the monetization tab. Once in monetization, link or verify your AdSense account because Super Chat payouts flow through AdSense. Make sure channel verification and two-step verification are enabled. These steps unlock the next options and prevent delays when enabling Super Chat for live streams. Now you enable Super Chat directly. In monetization, choose Supers, then toggle Super Chat and Super Stickers on. Once done, set your display currency and minimum donation increment so fans see consistent pricing. Make sure to configure moderation, specify blocked words, enable message review, and set the threshold for highlighted messages. Also, check age restriction because Super Chat requires applicable content settings. After saving, confirm live stream defaults include Super Chat, so it automatically appears when you go. Final steps: start a live stream and verify Super Chat shows as an option in the chat window. Ask a friend to send a small Super Chat or test it yourself. If it doesn't appear, make sure AdSense payments are up to date, your channel isn't region restricted, and you haven't hit policy or copyright flags. As a troubleshooting tip, clear cache or try a different browser and recheck monetization status. Often the block is a simple verification or payment hold that you can resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.